So we are stuck here. Like we are stuck in the rain. Eh? It's raining cat and dog. Oh. um, see people gathered like this. Make I show you. It's raining. It's raining here. Oh. We are stuck. It's raining. Raining heavily.